Systems designed to treat less than 1 million gallons of water per day, small systems. The small systems are effective for limiting pollution in rural and remote areas. Wetlands in remote locations capture wastewater. The water can discharge from seasonal resorts, residential communities, and farmlands. Specific conditions must exist for effective treatment in a wetland. A system must enable water intake and detention. Treatment mitigates primary pollutants before the effluent flows in a designated location. Firms apply pollution prevention protocols to achieve industry and federal government standards. Water quality mandates exist in various formats. A general format is the comprehensive framework for pollution prevention. Entities honor the National Pollution Discharge and Elimination System, also known as NPDES. Water treatment professionals apply daily operational procedures to achieve state and federal mandates. Water quality mandates apply in states and territories within the United States jurisdiction. The Environmental Protection Agency was beneficial to people on public and private lands. Lawmakers established water rights in federal statutes, including the Clean Water Act. Government approval enables authorized individuals and groups to advance water treatment. Water laws enforced before the Pollution Prevention Act applied to public lands. Tribes and federal protected land earned treatment as a state in 1987. Water laws applied in the tribal areas when members received authority. Source reduction was a priority and focus of the Pollution Prevention Act. Initiatives and legal terminology emerged as environmental laws expanded and evolved. Changes in the critical infrastructure enhanced traditional methods of pollution prevention. Water recycling for irrigation was a common business practice during the Progressive Era. Water availability was a geographical and political topic during the time frame. Citizens concerned for the environment and society spearheaded shifts in social norms. The Clean Water Act is a standard established to maintain environmental quality. Standards in the Pollution Prevention Act expanded environmental safeguards. Engineered wetlands contain abiotic and biotic factors essential in the process. Cattails and reeds are aquatic species placed in the system. Oxygen dispersed from the plants enriches the soil submerged underwater. A species known as aerobic bacteria uses the element for energy. The element also enriches the soil, making the area conducive to biodiversity. An end product is a quality effluent safe for discharge into a receiving water system. Engineers often select plants, animals, and wildlife to remediate contaminated land. Some plants are effective in urban land remediation. Eucalyptus plants can use mercury for beneficial purposes. Cattails and reeds can reduce heavy metals and primary pollutants from water. People plant the respective plants in contaminated areas to promote uptake. Some plants remediate land classified as Superfund sites. Pollution prevention was a core concept during the development of environmental protection laws. Limitations on pollution prevented environmental damage in lakes, rivers, and streams. On a macro scale, water laws restricted point source pollution discharged by large firms. Pollution prevention standards are relevant and applicable in rural and urban communities. Wetlands buffer waste streams released from residential and commercial properties. Water treatment entities manage wetlands to mitigate waste released into the aquatic systems. Current standards for wetlands are conducive to biodiversity and environmental sustainability.